I see. How to change the FR1 phone cover? First, you have to release the screw in the tethers. Just let it a little bit loose so you can release the tether height. Okay, so as you can see, you can remove the tether.
看我们哈，收紧就好了。
还要把它锁紧。
对啊，收紧，让它不会掉下来。
Okay, so after you up the tether, and then you have to fix the screw. Otherwise, it will go down again. So do it as what we do.
然后呢，去测试是不是拆下来。
And then you can release the 4 screw to remove the store box. Okay, so you remove the store box, and then another 4 screw to release. And then pull the tether down because you are going to change the cover, remove the cover. Okay, so you can see you already removed the cover, and then you have the new one to replace that. And then do it again. 就把它放回去。Okay, the same procedure to assemble the phone cover to the tether. Make sure it matched, and just be careful on this position. It will be touch the phone case cover, so be careful for that. Make sure it's the straight and no any infringe to the parts. Okay, then the tether back to the normal position, and then you should assemble the screw, the 4 screw first. Okay, so now the phone cover is fixed on the tether, and then we put the store box to the tether again. Okay, so now we have to get the handlebar back to the normal position. See what you do to release that it back to the regular position. Yeah. So make sure you match that. So then now you can tie the screw. Make sure it's at the right position. Okay, try it. And if you have problem, you can ask us the questions by email.